Hello, everyone. Today, my group and I are going to share what we learned after reading the paper written by Gibson et al. Indigenous People and Human Rights, Some Considerations for the Occupational Therapy Profession in Australia. Although this paper is written for OTs in Australia, we believe many of these ideas are transferable to the Canadian context and play a significant role in improving the care catered for Indigenous people here. The purpose of this paper was to create a dialogue between the OTs in Australia regarding the implementation of human rights, cultural competency, and partnerships with working with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. We hope you all enjoy this mini presentation we have prepared.
Supporting self-determination is a key component of client-centered practice because the therapist should collaborate with clients on what therapeutic goals are important and meaningful to the client. They should then integrate this knowledge when deciding on intervention strategies. This slide exemplifies the importance of OTs valuing self-determination. Here, we are showing our 4 team members and their different interests. In a rehabilitation setting, treatment plans would have to be tailored to the unique interests and values of each of us.
The relationships and partnerships that OTs build with clients should be focused on intentional collaboration and respecting the practices valued by the client. The article by Gibson speaks about the imposed colonization of Australia and how significant it is for OTs to reflect on how power imbalance will affect our client's context and the nature of the partnership. Collective collaboration creates the opportunity to improve the quality of care we provide together. Building partnerships is more than just gaining perspective and knowledge about a culture. It's also about using these relationships to bridge cultural borders. Understanding the value and importance of partnerships in practice with the Indigenous and Torres Strait Island people is a critical part in being culturally competent.
All right, so the article highlighted the importance of cultural competency to the OT profession. There are multiple definitions, but this article focuses on the holistic approach of recognizing ways of being that extend beyond the therapist's knowledge base. Cultural competency also involves continually learning and implementing services that value cultural and social context of not only the individual, but also the community. It also means to focus on providing services that are meaningful and meeting the needs of the individual and community.
As an OT, we want to build a relationship with the client we are working with through our tone, body posture, and create the feeling of safety during the therapy sessions. It is also important as an OT to question the assessments and interventions that we do and identify if there are other various ways through learning about the client's values and beliefs to provide a trauma-informed care when working with Indigenous population. Facilitating partnership is also an important role among the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Thank you.